Understanding the TOEFL Writing Section, Integrated versus Independent Writing. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the TOEFL Writing Section and understand the two distinct types of tasks you'll face: integrated writing and independent writing tasks. Let's ensure you're fully equipped and confident for this crucial part of the test. The TOEFL Writing Section is designed to test your ability to write in English in an academic setting. There are two tasks in this section, and you'll have 50 minutes to complete them. It's essential to understand the key differences between these tasks to approach them effectively. The integrated writing task is the first writing task you'll encounter. It involves reading a short academic passage, about 3 minutes. Listening to a lecture related to the passage, about 2 minutes. Writing a response, 20 minutes, that synthesizes information from both the reading and the listening. Key points. Synthesize information. Your main goal isn't to express your personal opinion but to combine or synthesize information from both sources. Time management. Be quick with notes during the reading and listening phases. This will help you craft a well-organized response within the time limit. No outside knowledge needed. Stick to what's provided in the reading and listening. Next up is the independent writing task. Here, you will receive a prompt that asks about your opinion on a certain topic. Write a response in about 30 minutes. Key points. Personal perspective. This task requires you to express and support your own views. It's your chance to let your voice shine through. Organization. Having a clear structure with an introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion is essential. Be specific. General statements won't stand out. Use specific examples or reasons to support your viewpoint. And there you have it, an overview of the two writing tasks in the TOEFL Writing Section. Remember, practice is key. The more you familiarize yourself with these tasks, the more confident you'll feel on test day. Good luck, and I hope this video helps pave the way for a great TOEFL score.